If you purchase your health insurance on the exchange or the Affordable Care Act, let's talk about how to move forward with your next best step. My name is Kim Feth. I'm the founder and CEO of Healthcare Survival Kit. Let's jump in and unpack that. Number one, some of you are already getting bills in the mail or in your inbox with a higher rate. That rate may or may not include the federal subsidies disappearing. We don't know what's going to happen, and unfortunately, none of us can control it. Here's what you can do to help maintain your health in all of this political and financial uncertainty. Number one, if medications are an issue, you haven't met your deductible or out of pocket and you need medications, and now going to the pharmacy feels like a luxury, head over to costplusdrugs.com. Again, that is costplusdrugs.com. This is an online pharmacy owned by Mark Cuban and a pharmacist. Here's how they work. They charge you the cost of the manufactured drug plus a 15% profit margin, which is completely reasonable. In addition, there's a $5 processing fee. That is a lot less expensive. If you look at blood pressure drugs, MS drugs, anxiety drugs, any level of drugs, you can go look it up on their website. You will save anywhere from $1 to $10,000 depending on the medicine and the drug that it treats. Don't go without medicine. That can be dangerous, if in fact not life-threatening. Number two, if you have to stop carrying the Affordable Care Act policy because you simply cannot sustain that, this is judgment-free. Look for direct practice care models in your community. Literally, just go Google search direct practice care, primary care in my region, and you'll come up with a list of it. There is typically a small fee to join and then a monthly or a quarterly fee. Oftentimes, you will find that the full access you get to an MD who spends a lot of time with you, it will often cost you less than paying out of pocket and going somewhere else. So try that direct primary care model. Number three, if you get to a point where you need some sort of imaging study, you're concerned you broke a bone, you need an x-ray, you're concerned you've got a kidney stone, you need an abdominal CT, going somewhere and saying, I don't have any insurance, they might give you a good rate, they may not. It's going to vary based on the practice. But if you go to radiologyassist.com, again, that is radiologyassist.com, and you put in your zip code, the type of scan you need, the type of body part you need imaged, and any other details like with or without contrast, and you hit submit, it will show you those places closest to you and their cash pay only price. You will actually schedule through radiologyassist.com. Here's the nice thing. It will save you so much money. I was working on a patient's bill, and the imaging practice billed her insurance $14,000 for an MRI. I plugged in that client's zip code, the study she had done, the body part, and the details. She would have paid $245 for that same imaging study out of pocket. She could have saved herself almost $3,500 out of pocket. It can still be read by a radiologist. Your primary care doctor will still be able to get the report sent to them. The important thing is you have informed decisions that you can make to try to control your healthcare costs. Let me cover one more area, and this is hard to hear, and I'm sure it is because it's also hard to say. If you've absolutely got to continue that Affordable Care Act policy and you're looking at that price and you're just thinking, how am I going to make this happen? Reach out to whomever you have your lease, your mortgage, your car payment, your credit card payments. Explain the situation and see what they will do to reduce or temporarily suspend required payments so that you can hold on to that Affordable Care Act policy until everything gets sorted out. Number two, do not be embarrassed or ashamed at all in going to a food bank. What you've got to do is maintain your health, keep a roof over your head, keep food on the table, keep a car in the driveway. And if that helps you, there is no shame in that. Go to that food bank. The food banks, the official ones, the ones at churches, we're all preparing to meet this increased need. My name is Kim Feth, and if you need help just thinking out loud, talking out loud about these decisions, they are hard and they are uncomfortable. I am here for you, and I give anyone a free 30-minute consult. Reach out to me at healthcaresurvivalkit.com, request your free 30-minute consult. We will think outside the box, look for ways for you to stretch these healthcare dollars and help you make it through this really hard, uncertain time. Follow us for more tips and tricks on stretching your healthcare dollar and navigating the healthcare system. Thanks.